Previously on the 3D printing lawyer. This incubator by design doesn't have a cover, so the humidity doesn't stay up to 50% where it's supposed to. Hi, this is the 3D printing lawyer. And on the last episode, we were printing this lid for the incubator where the water goes in. You can see here I oriented it at 45 degrees because the longer lines in the slicer were going this way. So it sped up printing and reduced the number of jerks. You can see also that I ended up doing another offset here and only extruding this little brim here to save in material, but also to print faster. So let's take it to the incubator and see if it does. There's some play. It does cover it. It almost looks like a humidity.